Alright, so here we got the iRobot Roomba 560 model. This Roomba is used, it's not brand new. So it shows a little bit of wear, like some scratches on the faceplate. Basically, the battery here is used and it lasts over an hour and 42 minutes. That's including the carpet and hardwood floors. So if you have just hardwood floors, most likely the battery will last over an hour and 50 minutes, maybe even close to 2 hours. So the battery here is really good. So this is the 560 model, as the iRobot considers it. But the serial number shows it's 561. So basically it comes with a newer software which makes navigate a little better, and also it has a speech on it which communicates to you, not just beeping, but tells you if there's an error or it's stuck somewhere, and actually tells you what it is instead of just making beeping noises. So basically new software on this. It's good for you. It does come with 2 auto virtual walls. I'm going to show you quickly what I got inside. Alright, so I got the quick start guide here and all the other paperwork, which includes the owner's manual, the registration papers with the serial number right there. Alright. So first of all, what we got here is the brushing and cleaning tool here. Got a charger. A power adapter, which is in excellent shape. Got a slim docking station right here. For more details, you guys can take a look at the pictures, and if you have questions, please let me know. Got 2 auto virtual walls here. They do require 2 C-size batteries, which are not included. So, and with those batteries, I heard this virtual walls will stay on up to 6 months. So that's a good thing. Really good virtual wall, so will save you a lot of battery life. Also got a brand new spare filter and the Roomba itself. So like I said, this Roomba is used, so it does show a little bit of wear on it. So you can see some light scratches here. So it's just a face plate. In the pictures you guys can see a little more detail of the bumper area. Maybe the video doesn't show that good. Flip her over here. Alright, so first of all, it has a 3-legged brush here that's in excellent shape. The front wheel is also in great shape here. Got a pull tab here for the battery. So when you guys get it, obviously just pull on it and you should be good to go. There's model number right there, 561 on it. And I'll just remove the dust in here. Alright. So everything has been cleaned and disinfected with Clorox wipes, so you get nice clean Roomba. The filter here is used, but it's been cleaned. So there's serial number right again, in case anybody interested in. So here's the brushes, all been cleaned out. And the gears on this clean head module have been cleaned out and relubed, so you get long life out of this Roomba. And like I said before, the battery lasts here about an hour and 42 minutes. Carpet and hardwood floor mix. So I'm gonna pull the tab here real quick, show you guys how it works. So I'll do a straight run, show you guys that it works great. The bumper sensors work great. So there's a straight run right there. So everything has been checked and make sure everything works perfectly. So thanks for watching.